Are you looking for the best drawing tablets? In this video we will look at some of the best drawing tablets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. XPPen Deco 01V2 Drawing Tablet. The XPPen Deco 01V2 Drawing Tablet is a versatile and feature-rich device that caters to digital artists and designers. With its 10-inch working area, this tablet provides ample space for creating artwork, making it suitable for both professional artists and beginners. The tablet is compatible with various operating systems including Windows, Mac, and Android, offering flexibility in choosing the platform that suits your needs. This ensures that you can seamlessly connect the tablet to your preferred device, allowing for a smooth and efficient drawing experience. Number 2. XPPen Artist 12 Pro Graphics Tablet. The XPPen Artist 12 Pro Graphics Tablet is a high-quality drawing tablet that offers a professional-level experience for digital artists and designers. With its 11.6-inch display, this tablet provides ample space for creating artwork, allowing for precise and detailed drawings. The tablet is equipped with a pressure-sensitive pen that has 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, enabling you to vary the thickness and opacity of your strokes with precision and control. This makes it suitable for a wide range of art styles and techniques. One standout feature of the XPPen Artist 12 Pro is its tilt support, which allows you to create realistic and natural-looking brush strokes by adjusting the angle of the pen. This adds a level of nuance and depth to your artwork, enhancing the overall quality of your digital creations. Number 3. GAOMON PD 1561 Graphics Tablet. The GAOMON PD 1561 Graphics Tablet is a top-notch device designed for artists and creative professionals seeking a high-quality drawing and writing experience. With its 15.6-inch IPS HD display, this tablet offers a large and vibrant screen that accurately presents your work with clarity and precision. The tablet's 72% NTSC color gamut ensures vivid and true-to-life colors, making it an excellent choice for digital artists who require accurate color representation. This allows you to create artwork with confidence, knowing that the colors you choose will be faithfully rendered on the screen. Number 4. HUION 11.6-inch Graphic Tablet. The HUION 11.6-inch graphic tablet is a versatile and reliable tool for digital artists and graphic designers. With its Canvas 12 model, this tablet offers an 11.6-inch anti-glare screen that provides a comfortable and clear drawing experience, even under different lighting conditions. One notable feature of the HUION Canvas 12 is its tilt support, which allows the pen to detect and respond to various angles and pressures. This feature enables artists to create more expressive and natural-looking brushstrokes, adding depth and realism to their artwork. Number 5. GAOMON M10K Pro Tablet. The GAOMON M10K Pro Tablet is a powerful and feature-packed digital graphic tablet designed for artists and designers. With its 10x 6.25-inch active drawing area, this tablet offers ample space for creating artwork with precision and detail. One standout feature of the GAOMON M10K Pro is its tilt and radial function support, allowing the pen to detect and respond to different angles and pressures. This enables artists to create dynamic and expressive brushstrokes, adding depth and realism to their digital drawings. The tablet also includes 10 shortcut keys, providing convenient and quick access to commonly used functions and tools. This allows artists to streamline their workflow and navigate through their digital art software more efficiently.